Today's topic: how can bridge loans help seniors transition to retirement communities? First, what is a bridge loan? It is in essence interim financing until permanent financing is in place. Let's say that your mom wants to move to a senior community that requires an entrance deposit and her largest single asset is her home. If mom doesn't want to wait around until her house is sold, or she prefers to be out of the house during the sales process, a bridge loan lender may loan her the money to make the deposit to the community, thereby allowing her to transition on her own terms. Once the house is sold, proceeds from the sale can be used to pay off the loan. This is especially beneficial where there is a down real estate market and it could take many months to stage and sell a house. Some bridge loan lenders want other family members to co-sign for the loan, especially if mom needs help managing her own finances. Many communities have relationships with banks that work directly with future residents to help with the gap sometimes presented when trying to liquidate assets to cash. In fact, some communities offer to pay the interest during the pendency of the sale of the home.